In today's video, we're going to talk about whether you should unlist, private, or completely delete your video. And this is based on some of the things I've seen with other channels and the things that I've seen with the channels I run and the channels that I've started. If you're new here, I'm Coach Court. I've been YouTubing for the past 7 years, and on this channel, I'm going to be talking to you guys about just some of the everyday things that I do, the things that I've learned about being on this platform, some of the life lessons that I don't want you guys to make. And I actually invested, after 7 years, I finally invested in a wireless mic. I like this mic. This the DJI 2. And I don't know why it took me so long to do this, because for me, I have to be able to move when I'm coaching, because I think better. Sitting still, sitting stationary, which is what I did for the past 7 years on YouTube, it hasn't been something that has allowed me to reach my full potential. But I'm not going to waste your time. Should you unlist, delete, or private your videos? This is something that, I see a lot on YouTube. People are asking this question very often. And honestly, I don't think anyone totally knows exactly what's going on unless you have a team of people that is watching these things by the hour, watching the backlash of getting rid of videos. And when I did it personally on a couple of my channels, I transferred videos to other channels, transferred them back to kind of see what was going on, as far as like if YouTube would ding me or get upset with me or even ban my account or slap on the wrist, whatever it is that they might have done. And honestly, because a lot of my videos are very squeaky clean and I don't see them as being controversial, it helped me because it didn't cause my channel to get audited, right? But if you're someone that's really spammy and you're constantly uploading, taking it down, putting it back up, I can tell you what it does automatically. Automatically what it does is it takes your views away. It takes your views away when you unlist or delete a video. I haven't deleted too many videos that I've already posted. If I published a video, I have rarely deleted those videos. I've unlisted them, and the reason I've unlisted those videos was because they were off base. They weren't reaching my ideal audience. And honestly, like I said in a past couple videos, maybe one video, I think I might struggle with a little bit of ADHD, so I get kind of squirrely sometimes. And I'll see this trend or this topic that I want to do, and it's not really on base for the channel that I was running, the biggest channel I was running, and I've deleted them, and then I've seen my algorithm get confused, my algorithm gets confused about, all right, what is this channel about now? It's like starting all over again, right? As a young kid say, if you're cooking and you're breaking eggs, you got to do some cleanup before it actually starts to you start to make more progress again. So I've unlisted, deleted the videos that I know for a fact was off base. I've unlisted, and I've seen drops in views. If you go to socialblade.com, this is something I used to use, and there's a bunch of different tools you can use now. Maybe few different, I'm not gonna say a bunch, maybe like 3 or 4 different tools you can use to see like back analytics, like projections, how much the channel is gonna grow, how much they have grown, and it shows like real-time views. Now they have this on YouTube, in the YouTube Studio, of course, but before YouTube Studio got so good and so accurate, they had these other tools that people would use, and Social Blade was one of them. And one thing that I saw, I also use vidIQ. vidIQ is something that I think I got a subscription for like $10 or $15 a month. If you have multiple channels, I'm pretty sure it's like $15 a month. It's a good tool to use, and it's a tool I've been using for like the past 4 years. But going back to the point, if you unlist videos, it confuses the algorithm and you basically have to start all over again. And I've seen anywhere from like 2 to 6 months for your channel to start gaining that traction again. It's a dog bark. Gaining that traction again and starting to find your ideal audience again. Because I don't know if YouTube won't say it, or they haven't. I don't know if I've even seen this question being asked. Like, do you get dinged for unlisted, relisting, unlisted, relisting? I know another creator who would do that routinely, and I don't know if he's coming down to quitting his channel. I don't know if he did it. He's quitting his channel because he's not gaining the traction like he had before, but there has to be something there. But I haven't seen too many creators unlist a lot of their things unless they were just going to completely get rid of their channel. But I've done that. Just long story short, I've done that. It can be helpful if you're trying to rebrand or if you're trying to find your ideal audience. Like really get specific about who you want. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.